If the AC or blower motor in your 2003 to 2006 Chevy Silverado stopped working, don't rush to replace the compressor or blower motor yet. Check these 4 key fuses and relay first. Open the driver's side door and pull off the side dash panel. First, check fuse 7 and fuse 8. These control your climate control system and HVAC control module. If your AC panel lights are completely dead or won't respond, start right here. Next, head under the hood to the main electrical center. Locate fuse 64. This controls your front climate control fan. If your AC system is on, but no air comes out of the vents at all, this blower motor fuse is your main suspect. Now, if your fan blows air just fine, but it won't get cold, or your AC button is flashing and the air stays warm, stay right here under the hood. First, check fuse 26. This 10-amp fuse delivers direct electrical power to the magnetic AC compressor clutch. Next, you need to check relay 8 right next to it, which acts as the electronic switch that engages the compressor. If fuse 26 is completely intact, but your compressor pulley still isn't spinning, relay 8 is usually the culprit. Find an identical, non-essential relay, like the one for your horn, and swap them. If your AC starts blowing cold, you know you just need a cheap replacement relay.